guys, so welcome back to another hair video. So shout out to Omgherhair for sending me this beautiful unit right here. Now I wanted to display the lace and the texture of this unit, which is everything for me. Now I am going to show you guys how I put product in here and how I let this hair air dry. The curls are absolutely stunning, guys. I actually installed this earlier in the day and I let it completely air dry so you guys can see how pretty defined these curls are and how effortlessly pretty this hairline is. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the install part and then show you guys how I apply product to the hair and get it to look very pretty and defined like this. This unit, guys, is a nice unit for the spring and summertime. It's a very simple unit. You get a lot of parting space and the lace is impeccable AF. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what I have to offer in today's install, I would like you to stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, so this install was pretty simple. It was basically like a same day install. I did wash the unit overnight, but I did not tweeze this hair. I did not bleach this hair. I did nothing to it whatsoever. Just use some neutralizing shampoo on it and just clean it dry. So this unit is fresh, guys. When I got it, I basically cut the lace off today, same day, and installed this unit. I kept the baby hairs and everything very delicate. I wanted it to still have like that little curl look and just kind of molded this part into the lace right here because I wanted the baby hairs to look natural instead of looking like they're pressed on my forehead. So I think this unit overall has a very, very natural effect to it. The curls, as you guys can see how defined. Once you let them air dry, you're definitely going to get a very, very realistic kind of curl pattern. So you guys can just see how effortless this is looking. Now, as far as the products that I used for my install today, I did go ahead and install this unit using the Rose Magnolia Lace Glue. So one of my subbies actually did go ahead and send this to me. This is a waterproof glue, guys, and it's also extreme hold and humidity resistant. So I did go ahead and install this unit with this glue. I did touch up some parts of it. I didn't spray my entire perimeter with the Even Wonder Lace, but I also did use the Even Wonder Lace Bond, and this is the Extreme Fold Firm Hold Supreme. I always get the black one now just because it's the highest hold setting. Maybe not. I think there's a gold one now that's probably higher, but these work all in all. They do such a great job at really getting the hair to freeze up in certain spots. Now, as far as the products that I used for the curls today, I did go ahead and use the 𝐾𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢 Coconut Curling Cream along with the 𝐾𝐞𝐭 Flaxseed Smoothing Oil. So basically 𝐾𝐞𝐭 products this time. I used this product right here, the oil, just to kind of defrizz and get the curls to look really nice and shiny, and the 𝐾𝐞𝐭 Coconut Curling Cream just defines the curls once the air is dry. If you guys watched the video, I was really pulling through the curls, and you guys can see how the curls are rippling back in place. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. They did a wonderful job with this texture. The texture looks very kind of like in between like a 4C and a 3C type of texture. Very in between, and just gives like a natural effect. I do like the length on this unit, guys. I don't think that I would get anything longer or shorter. I feel like this is the perfect length for a curly, kinky texture hair. The hair, like I said, guys, is just very, very nice. I know some of you guys are worrying about the hair being just too much, but it's not that much hair. One thing I did notice is when I was actually co-washing the hair, I did see some hair coming out. It was a little more than usual, but I'm not sure if that was just you know, when you kind of pull it off the weft just when it's freshly made. So I do recommend when you get your units, always co-wash them so that you can get any excess hair out. You don't want the hair falling and shedding in between wearing it, so just get a good wash in. Once I did go ahead and co-wash this one, I didn't see any shedding or anything like that. So the hair is pretty solid. The hair overall, guys, I think everything about it is very nice. If you're someone that likes that nice kinky textured hair, this is more, like I said, a 3C or 4C texture, so it's a bit on the soft mixed side. But all in all, I absolutely love this effortless hairline. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from omgherhair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.